Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Getassist.net, and I'm back again with another video where I will show you how you can enable screen time on your iPhone device. So if you are interested, make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. So if you want to know how much time do you spend on an iPhone using different apps, you can simply turn on screen time. This feature lets you know and manage your time that you spend using different apps. So let's start. First of all, you just have to go to settings, and here if you will scroll down a bit, just below focus, you will see this option screen time. Press that. Here you will need to turn it on, and as you can see, it says that you will get a weekly report with insights about your screen time, and you can even set time limits for apps you want to manage. So for example, if you are spending a lot of time on particular apps, you can even manage that using this particular feature. So simply turn it on first of all, and then you will get some information what all you can do by enabling screen time on your iOS device. So you will there is nothing as such to keep private, but still if you want to keep this information restricted to you, only you can see it. So you can even set a passcode if you are your child is spending on iPhone without letting them know. You can even secure it with a passcode in that case, but you will need to make some additional settings. So make sure you start using this. You will get to see the time change every day. All right, apart from that, you can schedule your time away from the screen using downtime. So here you can turn on the downtime for how long you want to stay away. All right, then you can even set time limits for apps you want. Set daily time limit for app categories you want to manage. So you can set time for how long you are going to use a particular application like Instagram, Facebook or Snapchat on your mobile device. You can even set limits based on contacts. All right, so using this feature, you can limit apply to phone, FaceTime, messages and iCloud contacts. So you need to allow the communication during screen time everyone, or you need to select contacts only, or you need to select contacts and group with at least one contact. So there are a lot of settings that you need to make and that you can make. Similarly, if you have turned on downtime, you have to make changes for that as well. Limit who you can communicate with during downtime. So if you are staying away from your phone, you can select with whom you want to keep in touch with during downtime. All right, so these are all the features, and at the bottom you will see use screen time passcode. So if you are using it for your child to keep a track of their activity, for how long they're using their iPhone and on what applications, so you can use a passcode and keep it the information private to you. You can even share it across devices if you have more than one iOS devices to which you want to share this information, so you can do that as well. And you can even set up screen time for family, and you can even turn it off from here. So that's all you can do using the screen time feature of iOS device, and that was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts, issues or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.